Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic how to find out if you can vote by mail. Nothing seems usual about these political times, but one thing has changed. Most states than ever now allow for voting by mail. 8 states and districts send mail in ballots to all registered voters. 28 states offer no excuse absentee voting, which means you can request and receive a mail in ballot without having to provide a reason. In the reset of the states, you can request an absentee ballot for various reasons, whether it's because of travel health or other reasons. Does my state offer mail in voting? If you live in California, Colorado, Hawaii, Nevada, what states offer no excuse absent voting? The National Conference of State Legal State has a complete and updated list of states with no excuse absentee voting. As of now, they are Alaska, Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Illinois. I am eligible to get an absent ballot in my state if it is not on these lists. For all other states, the National Conference of State Legal Cultures has a list of states with reason they will allow absent ballots. How do I get a ballot? For details on your states, go to this Can I Vote Absent ballot page from the National Association of Secretaries of States and select your state from the drop down menu. What if I am What if I am in the military or live overseas? My title is Senior Feature Writer, which is a license to write about absolutely anything if I can connect it to technology. I have been at PCMG since 2011 and have covered the surveillance states, vacation squad, ghost guns, voting, ISIS, art fashion, film design, gender base, or more. You might have seen me on TV talking about these topics or heard me on your commute home on the radio or a podcast. Or maybe you have just seen my Behind Mimi. I strive to explain topics that you might come across in the news but not fully understand, such as NFTs and meme stocks. I have had the pleasure of talking tech with Jeff Goldblum, Ang Lee, and other celebrities who have brought a different perspective to it. I put great care into writing it, guides, and am always touched by the notes I get from people who have used them to choose presents that have been well received. Tough, I love that I get to write about the tech industry every day. It's touched by gender, racial, and socio-economics inequality, and I try to bring these topics to light. Outside of PC Mac, I write fiction, poetry, humor, and essays on culture. So, guys, read the latest from Chandra Steele's How to Access Roku Secret Screens, Clear the Culture, How to Free Up Space on Your iPhone or iPad. Slick of buying everything on Amazon. Here's how to shop small business online, how to make an old phone faster, how to connect AirPods to an Android phone. More confirmed Chandra Steels. So guys, best products of the platform. The best online music streaming service for 2024. Spotify has sweet tunes, but it is not the only music streaming service that worth a listen. Explore the top option by pressing play on these expertly testing recommended picks. The best grilling PBQ Gate Gets for 2024. The oldest form of cooking has moved well past the dark ages of cattle grills and charcoal briquettes. These are the best smart grilling gadgets you need to host the ultimate high tech. The best robotic pool cleaners and smart water monitors for 2024. Keeping your pool clean and safe for swimming can be time consuming. We have tested the best smart pool tech so you can simply kick back and enjoy the water. The best shampoos for 2024 saw into action and blessed everything and movies in these exciting recommended shoots. AMF Games, the best Android phones for 2024. Google Android platform is the dominant global mobile operating system for comparison. Helps you to find the right device for you along along with the top Android phones we have tested. The best NHL streaming services for 2024. The best cut the cord. You can still watch pro hockey games, including the Stanley Cup playoff and finals, by signing up for these top tested streaming video picks. The best 5G phones for 2024. If you are looking for a phone that can connect to the newest and quickly cellular networks, here's what you need to know along with the top 5G phones we have tested. The best camera phones for 2024. Tired of hewling around an extra camera? Grab one of the best smartphones for taking photos and you might find new DSLR or microless collecting dust. The best NBA streaming services for 2024. Catch all the big shots and hard blocks with these top rated with streaming services for watching pro basketball. The best vision phones for 2024. Whether you are a current vision customer or making the switch, you need a phone that gets the most out of the carrier unique network. These are overlap tested favorite of Vision, the best T-Mobile phones for 2024. Here are the top phones from Apple, Google, Samsung, and other that we have trusted for T-Mobile, including those you need to access the fastest network speed. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in the next video.